Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to set up a project using Github. So over in your web browser, mine is Brave, you want to type in Unity, and we're going to get Unity by going to unity.com, press downloads, download for Windows or Mac, or even Linux, but we're going to do Windows. So press that, press save. I already have it, but when you do download it, want to go into your folders, downloads. I put all of our software in here. Unity Hub, open it, press yes, and you're going to just go through the installer. Now, as I said, I already have it installed. So now we have Unity. We can search up GitHub desktop, press the first one, and download for Windows. Now, I already have GitHub desktop installed, but you need to download it, go through the setup. You do need to make a GitHub account if you don't already have one. If you do have one, you can just log in and get all of that set up. I'll see you then. Alright, now that you have GitHub set up and you have Unity installed, oh, where's my mouse? Alright, you can open up Unity. Just wait for this. Alright, now that we open up Unity, go into installs, install editor. We're going to install this top one, I guess. Select Android. This is the only one you need. I have these other ones, but you don't need them. Just Android build support. We're going to uncheck Microsoft Visual Studio because we're going to install a different Visual Studio instead. So just press yes and install. But I already have it installed. So I'm just going to show you how to make a project now. To make a project, press New Project. Universal 3D. Select your organization. Make the name whatever. Uncheck use Unity version control. That's very important. And we're gonna press create. Alright, that took about a minute. But the speed it takes will depend on your computer. Anyways, so if you see this pop up, this project contains one or more depreciate packages. We're gonna press open. Now, if you use a JetBrains writer, you're gonna press update. But we're gonna use VS Code, and we're going to remove. Alright, that fixes that. And we're gonna go into File, Build Profiles, Android, and switch platform. It's gonna rebuild everything for Android. And now that's done, you gotta wait for these in the bottom. Should just take a second. Now that's done, we can exit Unity. And we can go into GitHub desktop. Now, I have a repository open, so you're not gonna see this. But what you are going to see is this top bar. So what you can do, File, New Repository. Gonna do my project like that. Git ignore. Make sure this is set to Unity. don't set a license. And that's about it. Now you gotta set the path here, so press choose and go to wherever you put your game at. So for me, it's right here. Select folder, create repository. Now this is in the wrong spot, if you can see here. So what we can do is can go into Unity, press these three dots, show in Explorer, and this is gonna show this. Double click on it, and you'll see your game name inside of your game. So what you gotta do is open it and press these. Press view here. Press show, then hidden items. Then you select all this. Press Control X. Then you can go one up, and then press Control V. And then you can delete this one. Then in GitHub Desktop, it'll say that it can't find your project. So what we can do, we can press locate, and we can go and press this one. Select folder. Going to press publish and keep this code private. Make sure it says to keep this code private, otherwise anybody can access your repository, and you don't want that. Now this is on GitHub, so but you see these changes on the left here. What you can do is you can write a summary. I'm just gonna say init, press commit, and press push origin. And now everything in your project is on GitHub. Now anytime you make a change, you're gonna write a summary, you're gonna press commit, and you're gonna press this button up here. Now you might be wondering, how am I going to edit code if we don't have Visual Studio? And this is how. We go into our browser once more, and we will search up Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna go download for Windows. Very nice. So let me show you how to set it up. Go after you download it, you go through the setup, and you do all the stuff to set it up. And then once it's installed, you can open it. Yours is not gonna look like this. So let me show you how to get it like this. So first of all, your bar is going to be on the left. So to fix that, you can right click right here and move. And then in your extensions, what you're going to need, GitHub themes, because you want to look pretty. This one, download and then set color theme, and then do whatever for that. And then you're also going to need the Unity extension. So also install that. And then you're gonna search up C#, and you're gonna get this one too. After you're done getting all that, you should have the .NET install tool in your extensions. So to use it, you want to press Control, Shift, and P. And then you want to do .NET install. And then you want to do install the .NET SDK system-wide. Now I already have it, so it's not going to do anything, but you want to press enter. It's going to install it, but I don't have anything. I already have it, so that won't do anything. Now, you can open up Unity Hub. You can open your game, and you're going to wait. Now it's open. Go to Edit, Preferences. Go into External Tools, and you can set your editor. And that's going to be about it. Thank you for watching. See you later.